I'm back here with another video on Ron Brown's YouTube channel, and to get right into it today, we have the let's see, from our friends over STARTRC, we have the air delivery bag for drones. You kind of see a little graphic there on it. So this is a box that comes in, kind of a plain vanilla box there. There's the STARTRC logo, and there's some usual suspects on the back of the box there. So let's get right into the unboxing of this device here. So nothing to cut open here, I don't think. There we go. Alrighty. Let you see it as I'm pulling it out here. Alright, so there it is here. Let's get into it. That's all that's in the box. We don't need the box anymore. So there is some STARTRC branding up there, and this is kind of a mesh. You probably see that in the video there, a mesh, and it looks like it has some straps, the clickable straps there that you see in a lot of products nowadays. So it's unzip this here. I'm going to turn this camera around so you get a better look at the unboxing. All right, and I think that's a kind of a better angle. So let's get this unzipped here and see what the contents inside are. All right, there's a little little air delivery backpack for drones instruction cards. So here's our instructions, and here's some various pieces here. Here's some kind of a cord there. Sorry for my big thumb bandage here. And here's like another piece of Velcro, and what's this here? This is some kind of a stickers there, and then this here is just the bottom of the bag there. So let's get this instruction out and take a look at what's required here. Oh, great! We have all our components here. Now, what they want you to do here is they want you to take these stickable things right here. I'm not going to do it right now. And you peel one of these off they gave you so you put it right on top of the that part of the drone right there, and then you on the back side of it you put you put the Velcro, and then the bottom of this has a big Velcro, so then that sticks to to this on top of the drone, and then you have this strap here which you put through here. I'm not going to waste your time taking a whole bunch of minutes to put it through, and it comes out on the other side over here, and then you strap that to these well, you connect it to these things right here. I'll show you that right here. Try to show you that right here. Maybe it's the other way around. There you go. So you snap one on that side, one on the other side, and that went up and under the drone there. So you have two points of security. It being Velcroed, to the top of the drone here, and the straps to keep it stable, while flying along. And again, kind of the purpose of this is you could put something in here and deliver it to somebody else. Car keys. I don't know if a phone would be too much weight, but anything light, car keys, you can put some money in there, maybe a wallet, a light wallet, cash, you have to be aware of the lift capacity of your drone here, but so you can, use the drone to deliver something, a small, get caught in the props there, that's not good. But so, we're not gonna test this out today. We just got this product in, but we will, on a better weather day, we will get this out, connect it all up, and then test it out in the field to see how easy it is to deliver a a lay product. I guess there's some practical uses for this. So we probably won't do a practical use, but there probably is. So yeah, interesting product, and just a couple notes I want to go over here before we end this video. So just a few quick bits and bobs here. This product is suitable for the Avata 1, Avata 2, the Mavic series of drones, and the Air series of drones. The backpack must not obstruct the drone sensors when you put it on, and carried items may not exceed the drone's maximum payload weight. And due to the sensors on the back of the Mini 4 Pro, how they have the the sensors, you know, they're facing out and then right behind them, or them facing backwards. This product cannot be used on a Mini 4 Pro because this bag, you know, would obviously block those, you know, those backward sensors that are kind of on the front of that drone. And the Mini, any of the Mini 4K, the Mini 2, Mini SE, none of them can be used because of the small size. So not for mini drones or whatever, not for DJI's mini drones, but again, you know, Mavic and Air Series, and even the Avata, which I kind of just showed you in this video here. So okay, let's move on to pricing and availability of the delivery backpack drone. All right, back with the pricing and availability. Of course, Amazon.com is what we're referring to, and this is called the STARTRC Airdrop system carrying case for the Avata 2, Air 3 and Mavic 3 Pro, release delivery drop bag for wedding seat and rescue accessories. I don't know where they get the wedding here, but anyhow, but that, you know, that's what they're called on there. But you can just follow my link. I'm going to include a link. So and it even shows the picture here. It even shows the way you can attach it to the Mavic 3 here. So that's good to know. Okay, it's it retails for $19.99, Amazon.com. There is a clickable 10% off coupon right now, which will bring that price down, you know, another $2. So you'll get it for $17.99. Of course, there's free returns on this item. And if you're Amazon, you know, Prime member, you will get free shipping. And if you order today, which I believe is September 20th, it will arrive between the dates of October 7th and October 14th, if you're in my area code. So that's about, you know, almost 2 weeks out from today, a little less than 2 weeks. So, you know, again, it's just being released here, brand new. You can, you know, get your order and guaranteed you're going to get it now. I will drop an affiliate link down below. I am, you know, full disclosure here, I am an Amazon affiliate seller. I do get a small commission off of anything you buy through my links. It does help the channel. It keeps the lights on, keeps me, you know, getting new products in review. Now this product, now full disclosure again, I was sent this for kind of a review and by STARTRC themselves, but they're not paying me to make this video. They had no editorial content over anything I'm saying in this video. You know, they won't see this in advance. So that's it. If you think that's a sponsored video, then there you go. So yeah, one note here, I will do a follow-up video on this and out in the field and try this drone. We'll make a full video of it on either on the Avata 2 or the Mavic, probably the Mavic 3. One of the others, well, not that Mavic 3. Well, it could be Mavic 3, Air 3. Anyhow, one of the 3 drones it works with, I will try it out in the field. We will get that done, you know, when possible here, when the weather's right for those conditions. So yeah, okay, just the usual stuff to end the video here. Give the video a thumbs up if you got anything out of it. Subscribe if you're not already a channel member, channel subscriber. Ring that bell so you know when I put up more videos, you know, about you know, drone accessories, action cam accessories, you know, things like that. I'll be having the DJI Neo be coming in here for review soon. We just got the DJI let me say it, Action 5 Pro in here. It's going to be plenty of content on that on the channel. So a lot of stuff going on over here. So you know, so I want to thank you for your support of the channel, and we will see you back on the next video, folks.